Okay, so maybe we'll just do a quick overview here of the application. We see that we got these tabs across the top, and then if we scroll down, we'll see we got a bunch of links over here. Now, one of the things that I was telling you about is the canned responses. So if you go under this heading here, Live Help, or Live Help here, if you click this up here, it's going to just you're going to start monitoring your online traffic. But let's say that you have a canned message that you seem to find yourself sending out quite a bit. So you can edit canned responses. You can see that I made one here called Wait, and we'll go ahead and create another one. Let's we can call this one. Well, let's see here. Call it Help, and we'll private. You should make it a private because you could give certain departments this canned message or everyone depending on your needs. And then of course we have our different departments here. The default one of course is Diet Kit for You, and then there's an HCG. We'll just make this available both of them, but it's gonna only since it's private, it's only going to be available to you. Hold on a sec, and then if this could also be like a Google AdSense ad. If it is, we would check here if it was an HTML message, but it's not. It's just some text, and we'll go ahead and click Save. And you see we have two canned responses, one Help and the other one is Wait. Now, we talked about those URLs to push. Let's say there's some products that you want to push. Here's one that I made earlier, the A1 Website Pro one. But let's say that we're at Diet Kit for You, and we want to push one of the URLs, which is a probably like a product URL, whether it be the water that you sell or syringes or whatever. So let's go ahead and I'm going to grab this link right here, copy link address, and this is going to be one of our URLs. And we'll go ahead and paste it there. And we'll put it under the default department, which is Diet Kit for You, because we don't want to push it on HCG, because if they're on HCG, we want them to buy from there. So we'll put that on default department. Maybe we'll make this link available for any one of the operators that is working on your site. So if you hire people in the future. So let's go ahead and click on Live Help again, and we'll see how these work.
New message.
And we will go ahead and bring up Diet Kit for You in another browser. And so we're going to go ahead and click on here.
New message.
Now there's cookies in this, so I'm going to go ahead and change the name. We'll change this guy's name from Max to Jack, and then we'll put something like, I have a question, and then click Send, and you'll start getting like a little beep. You see Jack is here. He's asking for some help, so we could go ahead and activate that.
New message.
You see new message. That's one of the sounds to let you know.
New message.
So Jack has already, as soon as you click activate, Jack already gets this message, how may I help you, like we said earlier. So maybe we'll push a URL. There's the A1 Website Pro one or the water one. So we'll go ahead and click on water, and we see that this already loads up, and we get a display up here at the top what it is. And so Jack gets
New
this
message.
he gets this message on his screen, which is, this is Jack's screen here. And we see that we got your picture and the link, and then he could click it. So that's a way to push the URL. Now, here's the canned messages, and we could just put, please wait a minute, and send, and that saves you a little bit of time from typing something in over and over again.
New message.
So, I hope this showed you a little bit about how canned messages and pushing URLs work. They can really come in handy, save you some time from looking it up, so you can load them up right in there. I already showed you how to add operators, and I think I showed you how to add departments. but it's pretty much self-explanatory. You can create a new department, and you can have it. This particular one is HCG. You can always go in here and see what I did by clicking settings, and then you could observe how I set up the department. I pretty much keep them on the default. Now, if you wanted a different image than this, you could check out the different images if you like. And you can customize this. In fact, we could customize the images as much as you want. We can even put new images in there. So it's really no big deal. There's auto invite, and what this does is sometimes whenever you're monitoring traffic online, like live help. Now I'm going to bring up another computer on a different computer over
New
here.
message.
I'm going to sign on to Diet Kit for you, and you'll be able to see that that this person is online. Say
New
this
message.
72. You got Max, which is the person on the other browser, but maybe we want to try to communicate with this guy here. Okay, so we can find out where he's at, what he's looking at, what URL he's at, and so we can see that he's on the main page. And what we could do is invite him. Okay, we'll stop talking with Jack. Let that update. Now we see that auto invite is on. And we can re-invite Jack. We can see on this other computer screen